Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 6-step infographics like this. So this is quite simple infographics guys, but looking so attractive and beautiful. So I have created two versions of this infographics. Like the first one is in with the multiple color option, and the second one is a single color option guys. Like I have used a single color in all of the shapes I have created here. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. So first you just have to click on insert and just click on new slide option and choose a blank slide over here. Now for this video tutorial I'm going to create this multiple color option infographics. Once you have completed this infographics, then you can create the simpler, and then you can create it very easily guys. So I'm creating this one. Okay, so I have not collected the color sample over here, so let me collect the color sample so that I can use the color sample on this new slide guys. Okay, so I have collected the color sample over here. So first what I will do, I will create this shape guys. Okay, after this I will put these colors, fill the shape with these colors, and after that I will create the text effect like this. I will create the text group actually, which I have put the option. I will put the option as well as the text over there. Okay guys, so click on insert option. Here you will find shape options. Click on that and choose this particular option called frame option. So press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it outward to make a square like this, a frame like this guys. Okay, after this you just have to make it no outline by clicking on this option, and here you will find a yellow dot over here. So you just have to slide it rightward to make the boundary thicker. Okay, so I will put it something this much. Okay, now again click on insert option. Here you will find a rectangle option. Just click on that and randomly select a rectangle, and let me change the color fill and make it no outline. You just have to make a rectangle same width as the boundary of this frame width. The width of the rectangle should be the frame width of this frame. Okay, and now put it to the left boundary at the center like this. Select all this shape or press Ctrl A to select all these shapes. Here you will find merge shape option. Now we just have to select fragment. Now we don't want this and this part, so I'm going to delete it. We want only this part. Okay guys, so now what you have to do, you just have to click the shape over here, and here in the shape format shape option, format shape pane will open. So here in the format shape pane, if you are not able to see this pane, then you have to right click over the shape and choose a format shape option. After clicking on this option, you will find a format shape pane at the right side of your window. So now I will choose this particular option called effect. Just click on that, and 3D format option you have to click, and here you have to choose a preset, like I'm choosing circle like this. Okay, now again you have to choose a 3D rotation option, and here you have to choose this particular preset called isometric right up. Just click this, again go back to the format 3D format option and decrease the width to the 0 and increase height to your particular amount so that it should look a perfect square pillars. So you have to put it something like this much. Okay, now you just have to rotate it something like this. You can put this shape over here so that you can get a reference that it is either vertically aligned or not. or you can use grid to do this. So this is vertically aligned, guys, as you can see. Yes, now put it over here, guys, like this. Press Ctrl and Shift together, and let's increase the size of this particular shape. Put it over here like this. Okay, now what I will do, I will press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put this shape over here. Okay, something here. Again press Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Means you have to make a 6 duplicate copy over here. So this is the 6 duplicate copy. Now what I will do, I will select this, I will copy this color sample from the previous slide and put it over the new slide over here. So now for this, what shape fill I will do, I'll choose eyedropper and choose a green color from the color sample. Okay, now for the second shape you just have to fill it with this color. Now for the third one, I will fill it with this particular color. Now the fourth one, I will fill it with this particular color. Now for the fifth one, I will again use eyedropper and choose yellow color for this shape. And for the last one, I will use, oh, this is automatically fetching this color. Okay guys, so now you have to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to make a group of these shapes. Now select on align and say align center. Again select align and align middle. Okay, now this is done, guys. Now we have to change the background, so click on format background option. Here you have to select the solid fill option and choose a color, like I am using this color. Okay guys, so now it's time to add the text group over here. So I'm going to press Ctrl C, copy this text and paste it over here like this. Now let me show you how which type of text I'm using in this particular slide. So for the body text, I'm using this particular text style and the size is 9, and for the option I'm using this particular style or the size is 20. You can use option, title and whatever you want. It depends on your project demand, guys. So now what I'm doing, I'm just pressing Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. So this option is for the first slide. So this is for second, and again I'm pressing Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here for the third one, for the third option. Okay, now again I'm pressing Ctrl D to duplicate all these groups, and this is for the fourth one. Aligning something here. Again press Ctrl D. This is for the last one, so I'm going to put it over here. Again pressing Ctrl D. This is for the last one, I'm putting it over here. Now you have to change the options here, like I'm going to use one, and we'll use the, for the text I'm using this color for one. Now this is 2, perfect. Now for the 3 I'm using the option 3, and for the text I'm using this color. This is for the option 4, so I have to change the option to the 4. And for the text I'm using this color. This is for the option 5, so I have to make it 5. And for the text color I'm using this particular yellow color. Okay, now this is for text option 6. This is last option, and for the text color what I'm going to use, I will use this particular color. Okay, so select all this shape finally, and you have to apply the shadow effect over here. So I'm using this left down shadow over here like this, and increasing its size to 101 and blurriness to 21. Okay, so now your shape is ready guys, and this is looking so attractive and beautiful. Once you created this type of infographics, then you can easily create this one. Let me show you. I am pressing Ctrl and D to make a duplicate copy of this slide, and for this what I'm going to use, I will use this group and click on format option, and for the shape fill I'm using this particular shape fill, or maybe this one. So this is how simple guys you can use it in your project. So this is how you can create it very easily guys, but it is not an ordinary slide. It's looking too attractive and eye-catching guys, so you should use it in your project. So I will give the free download link in the description box guys, so please check it out and keep creating guys. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.